In the evolving digital age, leaders in architectural, engineering, construction, and manufacturing sectors are navigating unique challenges. SolidCAD is your partner for technology consulting and guiding you to transform these challenges into competitive advantages. Our purpose is simple: to ensure your success by accelerating your digital transformation journey. We are here to empower your teams to embrace change, collaborate effectively, and drive innovation. Staying at the forefront of digital trends can be daunting, but we are here to ensure you have the right innovative tools needed to stay competitive. Our consulting is crafted to integrate digital technology seamlessly across your business, enhancing your system operations and collaboration with advanced data management techniques. We offer a comprehensive suite of consulting services, including implementation and optimization, development of standards and templates, customization and deployment automation, comprehensive data management, software development and integrations, training and mentoring, technical support, team augmentation, change management, and visualization and reality capture. What sets us apart is our team, including our technical experts who have deep industry knowledge and software developers who excel in crafting custom IP to not only boost your technology's productivity, but to integrate seamlessly within your business processes. We always deliver bespoke, transformative solutions made just for you. Our approach is simple. We establish a unified vision, aligning everyone with common goals to propel your organization forward. We also encourage cross-functional collaboration, ensuring the benefits of digital transformation are realized throughout. Our journey together is mapped with milestones tailored to your goals. We focus on tangible outcomes guiding you through each achievement, ensuring every step aligns with your vision for success. With SolidCAD, growth is constant. Beyond project completion, we evolve your strategies in order to keep you ahead, ensuring long-term success and resilience in a digital future. Partner with SolidCAD to transform your business, harness new technologies, and forge a future of innovation and success.